There's one. There's a small largemouth to start off the morning on the 75 plopper. Here we go, small guy. There we go. I was just saying to myself, you know, this weed edge makes a little point right here. I'm hoping it's a largemouth. Oh my. It's a smallmouth. Get back over here, guy. It's a good sign. I haven't seen fish. I haven't seen signs of any fish in the shoreline, so that's good. Just to give you an update what happened, the trolling motor broke, so I haven't been able to, so I can't really go up with the trolling motor anymore. You just saw it splash over there. I'm trying to wait till my dad gets back, or gets to me, so he can fix it, and I've been sitting here like, oh, I'm stuck, and I'm like, wait, I can still use the trolling motor, I just can't get it up. Gosh, I'm an idiot. I caught two largemouth off camera, and there's another one. Swim jigging, using the wrong pole for the job, because this has got mono tied onto it. But there's another one. Oh, that's not a bad one either. Oh my, look at this one. And guys, this is with one claw, because I haven't felt like putting one on. One claw I'm doing this on. 293. What a nice fish. My water here, it's release. Oh, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. Oh, that's double unfortunate. Oh, wow. Oh my God, how did this get this bad? Well guys, from the catastrophe with fixing the trolling motor rope, to me getting a backlash on a big largemouth and having to cut off and retie my leader back on, I'm finally back. I don't know how long that process took, probably like half an hour. I didn't really film most of it because I wanted to get back, but now we're back in the water, so here we go. Whatever they are, they go on massive feeding frenzies. There's one. Oh, they're a largemouth. And they're feeding on these shad on the top. Gotta get back in there. It's nice. Another 2.5 pounder. They're free feeding like crazy right now. Take. Oh, I got him. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a nice largie. Stay on. Oh, he's got some power. Oh, it's a huge smallie. Oh my god. It's a huge smallie. It's a lawn boy. Lawn smallmouth. Look at that fish. I gotta get back in there. Can't hook this guy. Oh, there he ate it. Come here, guy. That's why you have this combo, baby. That's why you have this combo, baby. That's why you have this combo, baby. Not gonna wham, he's probably about 2.5. Absolutely stacked in here. They're just blowing up in these lily pads, dude. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. I'm right here. Oh. Did he get it? Oh no, he missed it. He missed it. Oh, I have like a 6-something to 1 on this one. I don't know why I'm making moon cast. There he is. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to keep him out of the weeds. This really isn't the combo for it. Oh, that's a fatty one. That's a fatty one. It's one cast after the other. They love the swim jig. I don't know, that one might break 3. Who knows, maybe probably 2.5. That's a fatty right there. I'll try to get a good release on this one. He went right into the weeds. Oh my. Oh, I'm gonna lose this one because he took me in the weeds right away. If this isn't a pike, it's a big bass. Oh, nope. It's just a smallmouth. It's just a smallmouth. Oh. Oh my god. Another long smallmouth. 2.6A. 2.6A, we gotta get back out here. 2.6A. Next to me. That felt like some good weight again. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is one of the craziest days of fishing I have ever had. Between snags and catching fish and backlashes. I don't think this guy's gonna like the rest of them. Another nice one. Oh, that's an absolute terrible cast. They won't eat this now. Oh, just kidding, they will. Just kidding. Sorry, my hand was slippery. I know I was real weird there. Just kidding. Yeah. Look at that one. A little smaller, but I would say I'm screwed, but I'm still catching fish though. Still catching fish though. Still catching fish though. Still catching fish though. Gotcha, bud. You've been sitting in there the whole time I've been here. Guess what? Gotcha. There we go. Please be a bass. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Just a nice chunk. Just probably about only a 2-pounder, but nice fish to start off the morning. There we go. I was not looking. Oh, it's a big pike. Don't break me off. Don't break me off. Damn it. Don't break me off. Don't break me off. I don't even have the net ready. Actually, or we just get risky. Oh, actually, it wasn't even that risky. Never mind. I was trying to hit a really different area. I don't know if you guys could see that, because I barely could. But just a nice largemouth. I'm not gonna measure him, but it's probably a 2.5 or 2. Let's get a good release on this guy. Might switch to a swim jig here. Aww. It's a toothy critter. I was gonna say, right as I say, I should switch to the swim jig. A bass hits it, but nope, just a toothy guy. Just a toothy guy. There's one. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, keep her down, keep her down. Oh, yeah. Yes, dude. Oh, only 257. Nice fish. Let's get a good release on this guy. Yep. I don't know what it is though. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh yeah, stay down. Oh yeah. Keep us back. He's probably only 2, but nice fish nevertheless. Oh, there's another one. Oh yeah, they're stacked on this point. Oh yeah, it's another nice one. Oh, it's just my 4. Oh. I don't know, I gotta stay back though. He's not my 4, but he could be a 3. I'm not gonna weigh him, but it's a nice fish. I'm gonna try to get a better release on this guy. Yeah, exactly where I want to be. Just saw a fish jump at the end of this point. I think that's where I'm going to go next. I'll tell you what, the little bass was here would pick this up. Oh! I don't think he's that big. Oh, this is good. This is either the one we saw jump, or the one that bit. Not that big, but that was fun. That was fun. I think I'm actually just going to cast my plopper all the way up this, because I keep seeing like raindrops on the water when it clearly isn't raining. And that usually means shad. Oh, I got another one. Not very big though. Oh, small. He choked it. Dude, ain't gonna help you. Oh. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Nope, it's a largemouth. Okay. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm gonna be honest with you. Was not even paying attention. Was not even paying attention. Not a big one anyways, but be quiet to this person next to me, but I always catch a nice one. Oh my god, guys, that's the fish I've been looking for right there the whole day. 328 on this big boy. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get a good nice one. I didn't cast up there. It's a nice one, probably 2 pounder.